Good evening, my name is Amber Scott and we'll be doing Lab 3 for food science. The lab today will be enzyme oxidative browning for our first. So what we have right now is our cut potatoes. We have our lettuce, our iceberg lettuce, and our gala apples. Our solutions back here are the cream of tartar solution, as well as the sucrose solution. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is pour a bit of each. The sucrose solution, and pour some of it in one of each. So we do all. Okay, now we're going to pour on the cream of tartar solution. Next, we're going to add our lemon juice. Next, we're going to coat a piece with sugar. All right, all the samples are prepared and we're ready to put them into the fridge. Okay, my name is Amber Scott and we're back. We're ready for phase 2 of the lab tonight. So we're going to do the cooking effects, the cooking medium effect on apples. So right now I have my water getting ready to boil. I have 2 cups of just plain water right here, and we're going to add 1 cup of sugar to the 1 cup of water in this pot. So once the water starts boiling, we'll come back and put the apples in. Alright, the water is beginning to boil, so what we're going to do now is go ahead and pour our green apples first, our Granny Smith. I just split them up because I don't have enough pots, so there's apples into the sucrose, and then apples into just the water. Okay, the apples have cooked, so we have the Granny Smith apples. I'm first going to try the Granny Smith that were boiled with the sugar. So looking at it, they did brown slightly, not too much. The texture looks like it is a little grainy, maybe a little slimy, but it's probably just because it's wet. The flavor is very good. You can definitely taste the tartness of the Granny Smith along with the sugar that's cooked into it. So it's a nice, sweet, tart taste, sort of like an apple pie. For the apples cooked in the water, they're actually quite clear. No real signs of browning. The texture is a little grainy looking, also wet. And let's try the taste. These apples have definitely lost some of their flavor. They're more bland. You can still taste the tartness behind them, but they're really just bland. They don't have much of an appetizing taste at all. We are here today to do the third part of our lab. This is going to be the effects of cooking on vegetable pigmentation. So what we have is our broccoli and our carrots. We have the baking soda and the cream of tartar and our first cup of water to go into the pot to start boiling. Okay, as you can see, our water is now boiling, so we're gonna go and add the first round of vegetables. Alright, now that our carrots have been simmering for 3 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and place the lid on them to simmer for another 7 minutes. Well, thank you for joining me for Lab 3. Again, we went over the enzymatic oxidative browning, the effect of the cooking medium on apples, and the effect of cooking on pigments in vegetables. So until next time, have a great night.